Hello friends and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you the unboxing of the February planner bundle. So it's going to come to you in this little bubble mailer right here, and I'm just going to take that out of the way. And then inside you're going to find all of your kits and your dashboards and the extras that are included in this month's planner bundle. So this month I found these like really cute pens, and so I decided I wanted to add them to the planner kit here. They're just cute little plastic pens, that's all, but they were in really nice colors. And then each one of them, they are gel pens, and each one of them is a different color. And you will get, there's a variety of them. So you never know, you have no idea which one you're going to get, but they're all super cute. They're all different colors of ink. Some of them there's some greens, some pinks, there's black, blue, light blue, there's all kinds of different colors, purple in here. So one of these will be in there, and I'll show you really quickly how they write, just so that you know. This one I think is purple. So purple, there you go. Really cute, just little plastic pen that goes really well with the kits. So there's that. Then I also picked up a variety of bows, and then I added them to little clips so that you can decorate your planner. So there's a variety of bows as well. Here's all the bows, and so again, it's going to be just random what you get as far as your pen color or your artwork on your pen and your bows. There will be completely random. It'll just be all packaged up and ready to go, and you'll just get whatever it'll be a surprise. You won't know. So there's those are in there. Then, like always, you're going to get your dashboard. So this month's dashboard is obviously the artwork. It is gorgeous. It is book themed. I love this. I think it is just absolutely beautiful. And then on the other side you have your 2021 March, all of your goals, what you want to get done next month, and some important reminder things that you can put on here. And then these are easy enough to punch and put in, or you could just slide it into a sleeve, however you want to use your dashboards. So there's that. Then we're going to get into this kit. So this month I decided to do foiled kits. So last month, I love the way that the kits looked. There's still some available if you're looking for the February kit. This will be the one that is geared more towards March. So everything in here is kind of March geared. First, we're going to start with the little extras. So you have a full 5-page foiled kit in here, and then these are kind of the extras that go along with it. So this one is just all in gold foil. This one is all a bunch of things for you to just use in your planner to mark all of these different little occasions. Then we have 2 of these. So I did 2, because in case you want to use the black or the gold, so you have a choice of black or gold. You've got all of your numbers, you've got all of the March holidays on here, and then you've got your days of the week. So there's 2 of those. Then let's get into the kit itself. So like I said, it's a 5-page gold foiled kit, and it's Book Lover, and it is just stunning. So I didn't go over the top crazy with the foil. I tried to keep it under control. It was really hard because I love to foil everything. I bought a new machine and I just went foil nuts. So here's this one. Every page has foil on it, but not like so much that it's overwhelming. This one here. Also, these right here are they're like little dividers or page headers, or however you want to put that. So each one of these is a little strip. That's why there's so much foil in that little corner right there. Then here you've got these are washi strips. Here's your weekend banner, and then some of your deco has it on it as well, and so doesn't your sidebar. So there's that. So that's a full 5 pages there, plus these. Then I decided that you needed a monthly kit to go with your weekly kit, also foiled. So here are the monthly little extras. Again, you've got more numbers for your monthly. Over here, you've got your days of the week. So this is for your month, so you can add these, and I'll explain why I put them on here instead of on here. You've got bill due, work days, clean, class. Whether you have class or you have kids in school, class would work. There's also a school down here, some studies, by, meeting, organize, etc. And on here you've got your icons and your numbers. So there's that. Then this is a full 3-page monthly kit. And there's a reason why there's 3 pages here. So on the first page here, you've got your regular boxes, which go, again, just lightly foiled. And this one happens to fit a Happy Planner, but I also have the Erin Condren. So in the drop down menu, the only part that you're going to be picking as far as your kit size is going to be the monthly, because the monthly is really the only thing that is totally different if you go from box size between Happy Planner and like Erin Condren. So the standard size 1.5 box, the monthly part is the only part that's really, really different. So the weekly, this kit is going to be Happy Planner size, but keep in mind that Happy Planner size is a standard 1.5 size box. It's just longer, and it will fit in all of the standard 1.5 size boxes. It's just a little bit taller, and then you can just kind of move it around. You can alter it in any way that you want, but I went with Happy Planner as the standard because of you get more. There's just more things in here that I can fit, and bigger size, and it's the right size. So I picked Happy Planner for this, but this I did have to alter. So either Happy Planner or Erin Condren, you'll have to choose for in the drop down menu for the monthly. So here's this page. There's a whole lot of long-winded explanation. Here's this page here, which has your March header, and here's why your days of the week are over here, is because I have heard, I've had people mention that not all Happy Planners or Erin Condrens or whatever start on the same day. So I left it blank here where you can add in your days of the week from the extra sheet that I gave you, and you can decide if you're a Sunday start or a Monday start. So there's that. And then everything else that has its foil on it. And then this is kind of like an extra fun page. It is part of the monthly kit, but you can also use this in the weekly kit. So it's just an extra page, and these little guys right here, I'll show you. These will fit. So your little bill dues, your day off, work, clean, these smaller scripts right here, class, will fit inside here. If you wanted to use these little corner, scalped corners, you can use these to put in there. So there's that. I spent way too much time figuring out and designing this monthly kit. So there's that. Then on top of all of this, you're also going to get everything that's right here. So I have a few extras in this one that were extras outside of the kit. I think, no, actually they were in last month's kit, but not all of them. So for this one, we've got, this one is your March order tracker. So these are all in the colorway of the whole month. So everything here matches. Here's this one. And this one has what? Shop, amount, ordered, shipped, and arrived with little check boxes next to them. Then this one is your foldable. This is one style of foldable. This is another style of foldable with the planner and then the inside, and you have room to write here. On this one, you have a little bit extra. So if you just want to mark something special, like your anniversary or birthday or something fun, you can use this one. If you have more things that you want to write down, like little lists, you can use this one. Then here I added this one, and this one wasn't in last month, but I made this one today actually, and I added some little stars down at the bottom so that you can rate the book that you're reading. So this is a book tracker. Again, same colorway for the rest of the month, and then like you have your title here, who the author is, and then a little star rating that you can give it. This will also work for audiobooks too, because I'm an audiobook person. Here I also added in the pretty frames, and this is again matching the kit. So these are all different like frames which will look really cute in a planner. Then we have a couple of extras here. This is your overlays. So these are header overlays and box overlays. And then this one goes along with the theme for February's TPC sale, which is Once Upon a Time, which I think ties in beautifully to the whole book thing, because obviously books, fairy tales, how, you know, they go hand in hand. And so we've got Once Upon a Time, They Lived Happily Ever After. I got Snow White with Dreams Come True, and then this little magical beauty, hope, believe, imagine, which goes perfectly with book reading. I think it's super, super adorable. And again, these are in the gold foil. Here you have a full gold foiled icons page, and then a full foiled washi page. So all totaled, this priced out in my shop would be over $60 worth of goodies, and you are getting all of this for $25. There is only a limited number of kits in the shop. I think this month the number is a little bit smaller because last month I had a little bit more, and there are still some available. If you're still looking for February's kit, they are there. But this month I wasn't able to get as much product together to put more kits available, so the number of these will be a little bit less. But anyway, here is everything that you're going to get. I'm going to set that off to the side, and then I'm going to show you some of the extra things. So there are some things that kind of, you can tie all this in together. So let me explain. I know probably lost you right after that, but if you're still here and hanging out with me, this is $25, right? It is not a part of any sale. So anytime there's a percentage off, these monthly planner bundles will not be a part of that because they're already so severely discounted. Like I said, this is $60 worth of value and it's only $25. So I'm obviously not going to discount this anymore. But I do have other things that are going to be a part of the TPC sale, which will be 30% off at that time. If you want to combine it all together and get the free shipping, which I always have at $35, you can do that. You can also combine so that you can get all the freebies. So this little cutie is also gold foiled, so it matches everything. This is a vinyl, and this is Keep Calm and Kiss a Frog, which I think goes really nicely with the theme. And then this is free with $20, so if you spend $20 you get this, so automatically you'll get it if you buy this bundle. And then this is the $40 or more freebie, which is a full kit. It's a little 2-page kit, and this one is I'm sorry, my dog is having a dream and he's yipping in the background. So this is Snow White themed. I thought it was super adorable. Love this. I need to go tell him to stop yipping. Oh my goodness, he is out cold. Anyway, so that is that. Then I also have the book. So this right here is the, hold on one second. Let me just wake him up so he'll stop doing that. Okay, this is a sticker book, and I showed these last month. I had some that were also matching last month's artwork, and this one matches this one's artwork. And look at this. This right here, I found this little thing, and it girl named Mimi made this up, and I loved it so much that I put it on here. And it's books, the smell, the feel, the words, the weight, the progression of turned pages, the portability, the immersion, the knowledge, the adventure, the addiction. That is books. That is just like the perfect thing to say about books. So I put it on here, and then you've got this beautiful girl carrying all of her books, and then on the back there's a little thing of books here, and then the name of the shop. This is one of the skinnier ones. So this one is a lot less expensive than what you would get. Some of the other shops have the much fatter ones. I like this size because this is easy for me to carry. So, and I don't have a ton of these left in the shop. Once they're gone, I don't know if I'll be able to reorder them or not, but same number of pages though. I think this one has 60 pages inside. It's the top loading, so you can front and back these, fit tons and tons of stuff in here. And then if you want to be really organized, this comes with it. So you've got some tabs here that you can organize and decide what's going to go where on the inside. And then you've also got some gold foiled little ideas. You don't have to put these, obviously you can just write what you want in there, but if you have like scripts, icons, homework, etc., and then holidays here, and so these would go on top of that. So this is another option that you could add to just keep piling things on. And then this month I made one for myself, and I thought it would be kind of fun to make one for you guys too. When I run out of the paper, then they'll be gone. And if everybody likes them and wants me to continue making them, then I will get some more. But here's that same artwork, and this is the reusable sticker. So this one here has the reusable sticker paper inside. There are 50 sheets, so these are front and back. Tons in here. You have so much room to put all your extra stickers. So this will also be in the shop that you can also add. So that is it for this part of it. There is going to be more, and that will be, I'll do another release closer to the TPC sale to show you the other kits that are also coming out. There's a birthday themed one. There's a couple other ones, not a ton. This is the big thing right here. But one last thing before I go, foiled version of any of this is not available outside of the bundle. I may bring it back later in the year, but I can't, I don't want to do that. I want to make sure that this is what makes this special, is the foil. However, there is a version of this kit on the shop that is not foiled that you can buy. So the unfoiled version, because I want to make sure everybody who loves this artwork gets a chance to get it, just the weekly kit, not the monthly kit. So that, I just want to get that out before that becomes a question, and that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Tomorrow's my anniversary, so I really wanted to get this done today so that I can spend tomorrow just all day tomorrow hanging out with my husband and just having a great time. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you again real soon with the rest of the release. Have a great day. Bye-bye.